Hello everyone, कैसे हैं आप लोग? So yes, I am here again with one more dance tutorial of my dance cover. Cheez Badi है मस्त मस्त. Yes. So before we go further, how about we see a little glimpse of our original dance cover? So let's see it. As you just saw everyone, I am going to put the original dance cover link here in the description box, and also you can see link up there. It will take you directly to the original dance cover. So फिर किस बात की देरी है? Let's start. So everyone, as you just saw it, so let's start with the music and first step. So we go 1 right, left. So we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So let's count it. First, my whole body weight is on the right side and my left foot. The left toe is coming from in to out. So I'm just twisting it from inside to out. So right. Now shifting to the left. Left. So we go 1 2 3 4. Now we take a spin. So right, left, right, left. So I took a spin from my left shoulder. Then I go right, left and right. So when I'm tapping my right and up tap, I'm coming back, now left and then right in the front. So we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now after that, right away the next music starting because we are repeating the same combo 2 times. Now we go pa ni sa 1 and 2. So we go right, left, then lift your right knee right up, both the hands are joining, and when you are taking it down, at the same time you are taking a spin, coming to the front and then you go right and left. So let's do one more time. Pa ni sa, right and left. Now we go to the third step. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So what I did, first I am clapping to my right side and right foot is coming forward. So right, then left, then I take my right out, bring it in, and then I take a jump and bring my left foot front and right foot to the back. And both the hands are facing palms, facing up, and I'm just throwing them up. So let's repeat all 3 steps. So we did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Pa ni sa. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Second part, guys, the lyrics are starting, so we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So what I'm doing, my right foot forward, my both hands are on the right side. So right, left. Now I'm taking a spin from my right shoulder, taking my hand from down, up and bringing it right here to the back side. So I take a spin from my right shoulder, then 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we did कलियों जैसा हुस्न जो पाया. Now here, हर अदा standing right here and I'm saying har adame. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my count. So I will go back. I will go har adame. Now I have to turn to the front. So I will bring my. I will take a turn from my left shoulder. I will bring my left foot to the front. This is how I am turning myself. So I go har adame noor. So for noor I will open both hands in front of my face. I will go noor and I will go hai aya. For that I am taking my right out. So I will go noor hai. For hai I am making a flower with both the hands. Hai aya. Then left and right. So one more time guys. Har adame noor hai aya. So first the left hand is coming out and then right hand is coming out. Now after that you come to the sat mare aur. So for that you go on right toe first and then quickly shift it to the left toe. So you go sat mare. For first time you are lifting your leg, right leg, but not for the second time. So you go sat mare aur. Then after that you have Sathattar Ghayal. For that the foot movement which I am doing is right, left, and right and left. This is what I am doing. And for that, after from here you shift Sathattar Ghayal. So you go right, then left, then out, then in, then 6, 7 and 8. After that, so let's do it. Sat mare aur Sathattar Ghayal. For this you have to go slow. And then you go prem to rab ko. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go and you make a flower. So your whole body is on the left side. So sat prem to rab ko. This is right side and you go, there is a little music in between, you go 1, 2 like this. So prem to rab ko 1, 2. Then you go 5, 6, you take a spin and then 7 and 8. So prem to rab ko tang tang kyun aisa banaya. So again you take a spin from the left shoulder. You take a spin and then 7 and 8. And this what we did is 1, 2. This is your 3 and 4. You go bring your right foot forward and then back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Now for our third segment we have Tera Jisse Pad Gaya Pala. For that the footwork will be always right, left, right and left. So we go Tera Jisse Pad Gaya Pala, Achhe ko galat kar dala. So for that first I am throwing my hands to the left side. So 1 and 2, then quickly 3 and 4, then 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. For 5, my right foot and right hand, then left foot and left hand, then right foot in the front, left is back, and then left foot in the front and right is at the back. So one more time. Tera jisse pad gaya pala, achhe ko galat kar dala. Now tera. After that we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Because I am walking. So I go 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time. So I go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right and left, right, left. So, tera. After that So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you take a spin. 1, 5, 6. After coming here, you move forward two times. You go 7 and 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So for that I am just moving right left and moving diagonally, and my hands are just rolling from inside to out, both the hands. So 1 and 2. This is how we are coming. So we'll go one more time. तेरा नहीं तेरा कोई दोष. Now तेरा हुस्न है जबरदस्त. For that, once you are here, 7 and 8, then quickly you shift your body to the back, and you go first right and then left. So dosh, and you go tera husn hai. So first you go right hand out. This is your right leg here. Then you left, and then quickly you turn towards your right shoulder and bring your right forward and the left forward. So one more time. नहीं दोष तेरा हुस्न है जबरदस्त. So after that, guys, the last segment comes to Cheez Badi hai mast. So for that you go to Cheez Badi hai mast to Cheez Badi hai mast. This is your first 8 counts for that. So you go 1, right is forward and then back. So we are just shifting my hands too. So you go 1, then you 2, then you go right and left coming forward, and you are saying must, like as you, this is the hand mudra I am doing for the must, and you go must. So you go to Cheez Badi hai mast, again to Cheez Badi hai mast. This is your 2 claps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. One more time, 4 rounds we will go to Cheez Badi hai mast. After that she is saying मैं cheez badi हूँ mast. For that you come 1, 2, 3, 4 and you take a spin. 5 and 6. So how you do? मैं cheez badi हूँ mast. One more time, so I go मैं cheez 1, 2, then you take your right out and you bring your right down, and then left, bringing it just above your right, and then hit together and then take a spin together. So मैं cheez badi हूँ mast, and take a spin from your right shoulder. So this is how actually the last section will look like, and after that with the music I am going right, out and in, 2 times right, out and in, and then I am taking the spin from right hand side. Same way I took left, out and in, left, out and in, and I am taking spin from the left side. So one more time I will take it that right, out and in, out and in. So you are putting it in. Now take a spin from your left shoulder and you come back here. Then you take left, out and in, left, out and in. It is outside. It is just behind your right, and you take a spin from like this, and then you go 3 and 4. Simple. So let's repeat quickly one last time. तू cheez badi hai mast, तू cheez badi hai mast, तू cheez badi hai mast, मैं cheez badi हूँ mast. Dan tanana, ta-ta, tanana, ta-ta. So everyone, this is how we are finishing up with today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session. I will be soon here with one more tutorial. Till then, you guys enjoy learning, keep dancing, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care, guys.